Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to create an LLC for trading in 2026, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual fastest way to get your trading LLC up and running and protect your personal assets. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating your state's Secretary of State website, understanding trading specific requirements, filing paperwork, figuring out tax elections for traders, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually trading and making money. Now, I tried the DIY route once when setting up my trading LLC. Big mistake. Between understanding qualified trader status, mark-to-market elections, filing fees, creating proper operating agreements for trading activities, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to create a trading LLC quickly. First, your business name, something professional that reflects your trading activities. Second, get a registered agent with a street address in your state. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization with your state. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS for tax purposes. Fifth, create an operating agreement that specifically addresses trading activities and profit distributions. Sixth, consider mark-to-market tax election if you qualify as a trader. And seventh, open a business bank account and transfer funds to start trading. Now this sounds simple, but trading LLCs have unique complications. Qualified trader status requirements, self-employment tax implications, capital gains versus ordinary income treatment, and proper record keeping for trading activities. One mistake can cost you thousands in taxes or legal protection. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Registered agent service, state filing, EIN application, trading-specific operating agreement, even help with your business bank account setup. Most importantly, they understand the unique requirements for trading businesses and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus your state's filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and trading expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork when you could be trading. Use our link in the description, get your trading LLC formed properly, and start protecting your assets while you trade today. Trust me, your future profitable self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.